Hi, it's Kelly Savage with Butterfly Thoughts Podcast. The thoughts that sneak up, fly in, and hold transformational power, just like a butterfly. Changing our lives one thought at a time. Thank you for joining me. Today's episode, A Whole New World. I don't know about you, but even that title, A Whole New World, opens so many different possibilities and thoughts in my mind. How about you? A whole new world. I saw a friend today, one I haven't seen in probably years, one of those situations where you don't even know how much time really passed. But we were able to not only see one another again, but we got to talk. It is one of those friends that you love to talk to. They get you. The energy vibes, and it's a good energy. We were talking about life, things we learned in the last several years. We are growing a bit more mature, the wisdom that only truly comes with age, life experiences, self-reflection, and the different perspectives that we get along the way. We exchange the fact that we both love to grow. Let me say that again. We love to grow. Not everyone does. And we realize that's a fact too. Not everyone likes that challenge, change, or breaking down familiarity and safety even in their own thinking. But we are two people that welcome it. We look forward to it and have come to realize that we can continuously be opened to it, or we can shut it down in an instant. Ready, willing, and allow. Those were the words that came to my mind in that instance. Should I say the butterfly thought flew in. Ready, willing, and allow. Ready for the change. Ready for different perspectives. Ready for challenge. Because there will be challenges with change. Willing for the change. Willing to put down guards, which could be emotional or mental guards that we built up along the years through hurts, pains, life experiences. Willing to put down pride within us, those egos that we fight with at times. Willing to not just open up our minds and allow transformation in our life, but being ready to throw some things away in our life that are not good for us, that are not getting to where we actually want to even be. And allow. Yes, I said allow, and I mean it. We can shut down anything different in our life, including the change that should come in our life, the change that is necessary, even the change that we want, but the guards are too thick, too high, or we aren't willing to be vulnerable to. Maybe we aren't willing to do that work. We can all shut it down and stay status quo, stay the same, and have nothing change. Conscious decisions are necessary in growth. Change is necessary for growth. Wow, are you getting the picture of just how much you hold the key in self-discovery, self-reflection, or even reflection for your surroundings that can hold great power in change that you desire, change that you know needs to be, or just open some doors that will allow different perspectives? Are you denying change? Are you denying that different perspective? Are you delaying it? Have you felt it and shut it down? Have you made the statements, this is just who I am. No changing me. That's just how I think, period. No, that is just the way it is and it'll never change. Hasn't changed yet, so why would it be different? I have at times. I realized it wasn't to my benefit if I wanted to grow or have some things change. I realized that I was the one to hold the power. There is that power of choice again. The choice to grow or not grow as we desire and choose. Things will stay the same, life will move on, and if that's what you want, okay. I won't ever argue that point with anyone. I won't even try. I will respect decisions, since that truly is only your decision. I've always had somewhat naturally a curious mind, a need to learn per se, a love to grow, a desire to see things objectively, fully, and to challenge myself. Being aware is not always easy, especially when we are truly being self-aware and seeing something inside ourselves that need to change. Can I say ouch? I've had plenty of ouch moments already in my life. I don't see that changing either. That is the ouch of growing, opening up nooks and crannies in your life to heal or change. But also the beauty of growing, and I wouldn't change a thing seeing how far I've come. I try to use the phrases, maybe I can learn something. Maybe there is a different way. I don't know everything, I have a lot to learn. And I can learn from anyone and in various situations that may even surprise me. I use those phrases and more. But just in the last few months, I've begun to use the phrase, the older I get, the more I know how much I don't know. That indeed has opened up a whole new world in my mind and continues to. I feel that opportunities are popping up everywhere now, and I'm learning exciting new perspectives once again. The fact is, there always is so much to learn. It opens a whole new world and could open all kinds of doors and opportunities. Notice I said could. The could part is if you are ready, willing, and allow. It starts in your heart and the awareness of your power of choice, and then the conscious decision that is only yours. A whole new world awaits you. Thank you for joining me, and have a great day.